I just feel like it won't squeeze good on the squeeze. Hi Samantha, I'm doing good. Okay, foam come through. The reason I didn't do the mini toe is because I still have some product left in there. Which I didn't know if y'all were going to want to add to that. I was just like... Hey, Shari. Oh my god. Because it's going to get... It's just so much better. It makes the squeeze so much juicier. You care? Okay, good. It is see, if I would have had gloves on, it would have ripped through this already. Does anyone want to add some liquid to this? So like some more? I know we got some dish soap going in, but hey. I know, it's so thick already. Hi Nora. I don't have any more pinesol matey, but I do have pine glow for 2. And then I have 2 big pine panelons. Those are 6 each. I think I said hi moon, but if I didn't, hi moon. The Cash App is Gigi Loves Texas. If y'all want pine glow, let me know. I just have to unlock my car. This is in my trunk. I'm gonna wait till we get some liquid in here before I even try to do dish soap bombs. Thank you. $6 dish soap left. I got 2. Thank you, Mitty. All you gotta do is be mama. Oh, I used baking soda last time. When did I go live? Sunday? Ooh, this smells good. Baking soda is being very demure. Right? I'm like, hi, Whiteheart. I'm like, why are you running away from me? Good thing I'm on a rolly chair. Hi, Juicy. Juicy. This is so white. You might see me a couple times, but I try to get within reach of things. So we are about to do some dish soap bombs. Is Drea still in here? Good morning, Erica. Let me see if I can open this. And I still have a lot of the blue palm olive. I have $2 and $4. Hi there. I should have put y'all the other way because I like to like do like that, but I can't. I don't do that like with on the opposite hand. I need to get some less oil for my next live. Hi. Hi, Miss Far from Usual. Hi, Meg. Finally, you have some time for me. Ooh, that was good. Hi, you're watching while working? Okay. And I know usually I always see you on like the night live, so I'm like, ugh, she didn't watch me. Let's make some room for the Ajax. Oh, that's what I got anyway.